Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make kombucha from store-bought kombucha. Brewing your own kombucha at home is a rewarding and cost-effective way to enjoy this fizzy, fermented tea. You don't need a pre-made SCOBY to start. A bottle of unflavored, unpasteurized store-bought kombucha contains all the necessary cultures. We'll walk through each step, making it simple for anyone to create their own batches. To begin your kombucha journey, gather a few basic items. You'll need about 4 cups of water, 3 to 4 black or green tea bags, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. The star of our show is 1 to 2 cups of unflavored, unpasteurized store-bought kombucha, which acts as your starter. For equipment, a clean 1-gallon glass jar, a tightly woven cloth or coffee filter, and a rubber band are perfect for your brewing vessel. Let's start brewing. First, boil 4 cups of water and steep your tea bags for about 15 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then stir in 3/4 of a cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. It's crucial to let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature, around 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, before adding your starter. Pour the cooled tea into your 1-gallon jar, then add 1 to 2 cups of the store-bought kombucha. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band, allowing it to ferment for 7 to 12 days in a dark, still spot. Once your kombucha reaches your desired tartness, it's time for flavoring and bottling. Carefully remove the SCOBY and reserve about 2 cups of the finished kombucha for your next starter. Now, for the fun part, add your favorite fruit puree or juice, about 1/3 to 1/2 cup per 16 ounces of kombucha, to airtight glass bottles. Seal them tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 4 days for a second fermentation, which creates those delightful bubbles. Afterward, move your delicious, fizzy kombucha to the refrigerator to slow the fermentation and chill before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.